welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina Eileen and I'm really excited for this video. I'm going to be doing an entire desk setup for under $350. So super cute, super aesthetic. I got some kawaii anime style like themed in there, a bit of tech gaming type theme, and then just like minimalistic but pretty. It's my style, I love it, but I hope you love it too. And I found everything off of Amazon, so I'm going to list everything individually below in the description. I'm going to be showing you guys the before and after, and it is phenomenal. I'm also working with a very, very small amount of space. Yes! Let's get to it! Okay, so this is the area that we're going to redo. Yo, what's up? My bedroom doesn't have a lot of space, but I'm gonna start with this. It's like almost 5 o'clock and I started at like 10 a.m. So here we are. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to link everything down below for you and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really excited to start using my new desk and the chair is super comfy. Couple things, it's a lot nicer than I thought it would be. the desk and the chair actually. So since I'm, you know, targeting more of a budget home office space, I wasn't expecting like the best quality, but I was expecting like mediocre, all right quality. So this is like IKEA, which IKEA is great quality. You know, it's affordable, but it's great quality. IKEA, this is just like a normal office chair, honestly. And I think it was around $90, which for an office chair is very affordable, but it's pretty comfortable. And look, oh, well, okay, ready? Look. It lowers and raises, and I put it together all by myself. On these shelves, I just put like a film camera and my lens here, but I think I want to get more of the Funko Pops because I only have one, and I think that those would be cuter there. The shelves are really small, so I didn't have anything that I could put on it. I was assuming like, oh, a little small journal or book, but it's too small for that. So it's perfect for like a Funko Pop or like little knickknacks that you have. I do have 3 more shelves, 2 of which I used right here. I just leaned them against my windowsill and I thought it looked kind of clean. Clean, candles, put together my Lego flowers, so I am excited about that. I really like the controller stand. Instead of using it for both of my controllers, I ended up using it for my Nintendo Switch and then my Nintendo Switch controller, and then putting my other controllers over here. And then this laptop stand, I like a lot more than I thought I would. I've seen these everywhere and I was like, it seems like it takes up so much space, like the angle is weird, but this is not weird. It's actually really comfortable and I'm really excited to start working. Oh, and then this thing is super cozy. I like it. It's so comfy. All right, so please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked it. That would mean a lot to me. Leave a comment below. I'd love to talk to you and get to know you. I'm aiming to get 500 subscribers so that I can start community posts. I think that would be really fun. And yeah, all right, have a great day, you guys. Bye.